Hello.
Yeah, we hiện tôi sẽ làm một đợt gì bây giờ.
Thế nên năm sau cũng gặp tôi sao?
Stylish star Ziliang be.
Come on. Jeme stylish star. Come on, come on.
Có mà lúc ta bấm gì lên này ngồi im gì.
Is it the gray, yeah?
Bay. Một bolo.
Nó sẽ cầm suy, sẽ cầm ram.
Gai tôi đã ra.
Nước chảy đã.
Cầm ram. Tôi sẽ. Để lưu cái này tay làm bao cái kìa.
Hả?
Tay đâu?
Nè. Thì kia.
We are in Zardinga village. पहाड़ करके मैं लोग शूटिंग चल रहा है शूटिंग क्लब लग रहा है कर रहा है अरे यार थक गया बल अपने से वो बल
लेकिन मैंने थकी
मूव करके देखेगा it's processing I feel so exhausted but we don't complete yet so we are right now I'm going to show the beautiful waterfall which we are going to shoot right now. This is the waterfall. So some may don't know the exact location. So the location is Satinga River. अभी तो अंधेरा हुआ नहीं है. So we don't have any makeup artist. So we on sale we need to do makeup. Makeup artist है नहीं तो खुद तो makeup करके shoot करेगा. Oh, the song which we are going to shoot right now is a song of Mr. Suaneing, Leuyi. Processing, we are yet to shoot the video, the love song video. So here is the girl who is staying behind us. Behind me, she is the one actress, and I will be the actor. Yes. So stay tuned. On today's video, he will be the videographer, and here is a camera. So here is the actress. मजा आएगा रे शूटिंग शुरू होने वाला है आप लोग का साथ पे रहेगा शूटिंग
ये हो लोग है या फिर खड़ी हो ना क्या कर रहे हैं फोटो ले रही क्या
It's day 3 and we are going to finish today itself. La 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 la. Yeah, energetic man. Ida.
Hả, lưu bông đây.
Ôi yo. आज तो फिनिश करेगा आज नहीं तो कब करेंगे So right now we are in Newme restaurant. Doing a big wala rest. Right now we are in the next location. That is Zorai. That is our picnic spot. This is my first time to visit here. So we are going to take a shoot from here. So you can just look around. And then here my actress, she's really much interested in dancing. I think she's making a real video. So here is our camera. We're gonna shoot from here. Our partners, they don't come yet. They don't turn up. So we are just waiting them because we alone cannot be a videographer. So we are waiting for the videographer. This is the last and ending part of our shoot. Hey. रास्ता गलत से चला गया क्या? We are going to move back to our place. As I said, if you are with me, if your support is with me, it will be very good. So we took 4 days to complete our video. This is the camera, and this is a stand, and this is a bottle, and this is a spec, and this is a marks, and this is a vehicle, and then this is she is a actress